Hi everyone, have you ever wondered why your ramen never looks like the one advertised on the package? Well, today we are going to recreate the famous braised beef ramen just like it shows on the package. First, choose your beef. I'm using beef chuck here, but feel free to use any part of the beef you prefer. Cut it into large chunks. Soak your beef chunks in cold water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare some other ingredients. Slice some green onions, ginger, garlic, and red chili. For 800 grams of beef, here's roughly how much of each ingredient I used. You may notice some spices on the plate as well. I will talk about it in a bit. Alright, the 10 minutes is up. Now, drain the water from the soaked beef. In an empty pot, pour in enough cold water to fully cover the beef. Place your pot on the stove top, add some salt and cooking wine to the water. Now add the beef to the pot. Close the lid and turn the heat to low. Allow it to come to a boil. Let the water boil for 5 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Drain the water and rinse the beef to remove any blood residue. In a frying pan, spray about 5 grams of oil. When the oil is about 70% heated, add in the green onions, ginger, and garlic. Sauté them lightly until they turn golden. Now, add these ingredients below. Add the beef and fry them together until they release a nice aroma. Transfer the beef into a high-pressure cooker. If you don't have one, a regular pot is also fine. Pour in enough water to cover the beef. Now add these spices listed on the screen. Give it a stir. Put it in the high-pressure cooker and cook for 40 minutes. If you are using a regular pot, cook for 1.5 hours. After 40 minutes, your braised beef is ready. Nice and easy. Look how good this looks. Now it's time to prepare the instant ramen. Simply pour some beef broth to cover the noodles. I only use the dried vegetables pack for appearance. Wow, that smells awesome, you guys. Bon appetit!